Everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about the tutorial how to make simple classic house front design. We can use a rotated rectangle for the basic shape. For the first step, we can set the length around 9 meter and the length around 12 meter. Okay, and after that we can make push. We can push it up, or oh yeah, okay, we can push it up around 3,500 millimeter or 3.5 meter, and then we can just offset it inside around 150 millimeter. Then we can push it until the limit of the bottom position, and then we can make group. And after that we can make the floor. For the first, we can make a floor, and we have to push it down around 300 millimeter. Then we can select this line and move it to the position. We can move it to the position. It's around 4,500 millimeter, and then we can push it to the front around 2 meter only. Okay, and then we have to separate, make group and separate the level of the inner house and terrace house. We can make a split the level with the 50 millimeter. Okay, and then we can make a rectangle on here, and then we have to move it to the upper position. Okay, and then we have to push it down. Anyway, we have to push it down around 400 millimeter. Okay, and then we have to select this all with a triple click, left click and right click, and make group. And after that we can make the basic roof. For the first, we have to make a basic roof with a rectangle anyway. Then we can we have to push it up around 150 millimeter. Then triple click and make it group, and then we have to move it to the bottom. Okay, something like this, and then we can make a rectangle again. And then we have to offset it inside. We can offset it inside around 800 millimeter, and then we can erase some unnecessary plane of there. Then just erase some unnecessary line also. Right click and erase, and then we have to select this plane all, and then we can push it to the up. We can push up around 500 millimeter, and after that we have to select it all and make it group. Okay, and after that we can make a rectangle again from the corner to the front corner of this rectangle, and then we have to offset it outside around 500 millimeter offset. And don't forget to delete this line also, because we have to make a roof from this plane. Okay, and then we can select this line and we can rotate it with the protector. Just rotate it with 45 degree and rotate it also, and press Ctrl 45 degree. Okay, we have to rotate it 45 degree. Okay, just delete this guiding line anyway. Okay, and then we can to select this extension line, and then select this line, move and select Control, and select this and move and select Control, and we have to connect the edge to edge. Okay, and then we can make roof sloping. We can just set the sloping with the protector and position on it. We can rotate it around 40 degree of angle and 40 degree of angle also. we can adjust with the green axis 40 degree. Okay, it's just a guiding line for the roof, and then we can move it to the appropriate position in here, and we can move it to the appropriate position on here also. Okay, and after that we got this point, we got this intersection, which is it will be our guideline to adjust this line with we have to move up according to this intersection anyway. So it's done about making a basic roof anyway, and then we can just erase for temporary this guideline because it unnecessary guideline, and then we have to make it group, and then we have to select this group, entering the group, and just complete this space of this bottom side of the roof anyway. And after that we can select this plane and push it down around for 200 millimeter down, and then and after that we can continue it. We can continue it to make the another object anyway. We can continue it with make another object with tape measure tool. We can use tape measure tool and then just position on the upside around 2400 millimeter, and we can make opening, window and door opening, and the door and window itself. We can set this position for any size as you want. Then we can set this position with any size as you want also. Okay, and then we have to push it, bring to the limit and push it to the limit. Okay, and after that we can delete this guideline, and after that we can make a door and the window. You can use line to make a door frame first. We can use line, then we can select this all line and offset it inside around 60 millimeter. Then we have to complete this line, then we have to erase it, and then we have to push it to the back around 120 millimeter, and we have to make a group. And after that we can make a rectangle. And then we have to push it to the back around 40 millimeter. Then just make it group. Okay, and then we can make component, just create it, and after that we have to move and select control to duplicate it, and just right click, flip along with red. And after that we have to offset it inside to make a door profile around 100. Then we have to offset it inside also, maybe around 20 millimeter, just for the example anyway. Then we have to push it to the front position to make door ornament, and then we can make a door handle right here, just any type and any design of door handle as you want anyway. Okay, and then you can duplicate it. Then you have to move and select control like this, and after that you can make the window with the rectangle, and then we have to offset it inside around 60 millimeter also, and then we have to erase it, and then after that we have to push it to the back around 120 millimeter, and then just make it group, and we have to make rectangle to make a middle divider frame around 60 millimeter also, and just make group, and we have to move and position on the middle of the window frame. Then we have to make a window lift with the offset inside 80 millimeter and just erase it. And after that we have to push it to the back around 40 millimeter and just make it group. And after that we can make a rectangle. Rectangle and this divider frame. Anyway, we have to push it to the left side. We around 10 millimeter and just move on the middle. Move and press Ctrl to the middle. Anyway, right here, and just erase it. And we have to rotate it and press Ctrl around 90. Okay. Okay, and after that we can make extend of this line of this object. We have to move. Okay, and then we have to move and select Control, and we can type 5/. So it's done about how to make a simple classic window lift, and then make a group, and then just move to the left side anyway. Okay, as you got it. And after that we can make a RC drive with a rectangle right here. Then we have to offset it outside. We have to offset outside around 150 millimeter, and then we can push it to the front, and also we have to offset it outside also around 50 millimeter also, and then we can make it group. Okay, and after that we can make just a simple profile of this curves. Anyway, we can just make a simple profile. We can make a simple profile right here. Maybe we can do this or just a simple profile. Okay, and then we can move it to the another side. Then just select it and erase, and then we can complete this profile. And maybe we can add some variation of this arc profile with this, and another arc profile in here. Okay, and after that we can move it to here. Then we can use a line, and we can set the perimeter of the house anyway. It's just for example. Okay, and then we have to follow me to complete the instruction. Okay, and after that we can make the column. We can make the column with any size as you want anyway. Then we have to push it to the up position, then just make group and make it component. Don't forget, then just create it, and then we have to move and position on this, and then we can make variation of this column anyway. And after that we can make a landscape element with a line and just draw it. Maybe for this position it's just for example anyway. Okay, then we have to push it down and just make it group. And after that we have to separate the landscape and the hardscape material in here. Okay, and then we can set this to the grass material, and this is for carport, and this is for outdoor hardscape. We can set the material with the landscaping. Maybe we can adjust it with this material, and this is with the material, and this is with the grass material, so we can see it. And after that, we can duplicate this window to the another position of this house. Anyway, we can use make group, and by select all, and then we have to move and select control. We have to rotate it and type 90, and then we have to move it to the wall. Anyway, then we have to duplicate it for maybe around, okay, maybe about this, and then we can make the wall opening with the triple click and select rectangle, and to make it, and select a rectangle again to make it again, and just repeat the step to finish this window placement to the another position. Then we have to push it until the limit, so we get it. And after that, maybe we can assign this wall to make to be a better material. Anyway, maybe we can use this, and we can use roofing material with maybe we can use this, then we can set up the roof anyway. And after that, we can make the color of the siding of this roof by select this all, and just select this. Okay, and then we can make another component. We can make another component with the component option, and we can select this, and we can select the tree in here, for example, and maybe we can select the another element right here. So, and then we can adjust it with the scale to make it more smaller than before anyway, and we can adjust the color of the tree with the representative material. Okay, and then we can maybe we can edit to be more transparent, or maybe we can move it and place to the back side anyway. So we have to make a small landscape right here. Just adjust the landscape anyway, and maybe we can make the additional wall right here. Just make it group and make additional wall right here, push it up and make it group, and again we can make additional wall right here. And it's complete. Okay, this is for this simple tutorial. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and wait for my next video, and please type the comment if you have any question from to all of you, and I will effort to answer your question in the comment below. Okay, thank you.